Hi guys, welcome to day one of our 12 days of Tai Chi. We're going to start straight away. So place your feet in a neutral stance, hip width apart, everything relaxed. Do focus on your posture, try and get it the best you can. And we're just keeping it nice and relaxed. So our first movement is opening stance. And I really want you to feel every part of this movement. So we're inhaling here, arms rising, and exhale, bringing the hands down. Let's add a knee bend. So keeping the knee bend within your comfort zone and keeping the posture nice and tall. Keeping the core engaged, so pulling belly button through to spine. Floating the arms up and floating them down. So we're bringing the feet together, and just like the start of our Yang 24 step, we're breathing in and breathing out. I'm going to do it mirror image, so peel the left foot off and place it in your parallel. Send to our body weight here between the two feet. Inhale, exhale, slide across. And we're bringing our hands to hold the ball and tapping in. Let's try that again. Inhale. Let's do it the other side, just so we're not one-legged. Peeling that right foot off. If you're doing it mirror image, looking at me, transferring the weight over, circling the arms to hold the ball and tapping in. Let's do that again. From here, we're going to do our stroking the horse's mane. So feet, neutral stance again, hip width apart. Let's hold the ball. We're stroking an imaginary horse down to our tabletop and bringing the other hand up to hold our imaginary mirror. So focus on the hand here, look through the fingertips and twist and turn the waist to really power this arm through. Let's do that again. little knee bend to one side. Turning the waist to that knee. And repeating all that on the other side. Stroking the horse down to the tabletop. Nice turn of the waist to bring this hand up to hold the mirror. Let's do that again. Really feeling the movement. Adding the knee bend towards the hand. And turn of the waist. Let's put those two moves together. So opening stance followed by our stroking the horse's mane. Holding the ball. We're heel toe into our bow stance here. Let's do that again on the same side. Second side, opening stance. Really setting the attention, lots of focus. Holding the ball, heel toe into our bow stance. I hope you've enjoyed that. Check out day number 2 and we'll go over our next 2 Yang 24 stances in a nice low impact exercise session. See you there.